This is a very unique mug made by Terranew. Terranew is located in Santa Cruz, California. The mug that you would get is this dark color that you see directly in front of you. Once you put any type of a warm drink inside, coffee, tea, it could be hot chocolate or soup for the kids, so anyone can enjoy these really unique gifts. And once you do, the dark coating on the outside of the coffee mug magically disappears to show these 3 adorable little kittens for the cat lovers to enjoy. Something really unique for you to have fun with. So long as that ceramic is warm, the photo will show. Later when the ceramic cools down, it goes back down to the dark color until you refill it with something warm again. So here's a really fun, cute cup to enjoy these little kittens. They're available through Amazon.com at Terranew. Put in the word T-E-R-A-N-E-W, hit the go button. Pulls up all the different images that Terranew has available. Approximately 20 to choose from. So go on, get online, buy them now, enjoy.